This video is about velvet dress collection ideas.
Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please try to press the bell button after you subscribe to my channel to get an instant notification.
In this video, I'm going to share the velvet dresses collection ideas with the different colors, different patterns and different styles. Hope you all like these collections of the velvet dresses. Please do watch till the end and give your lovely comments. Velvet dresses with any combination of other color looks very pretty, very gorgeous too. Wow, this is elegant. Mostly the velvet dresses in the dark colors look very beautiful. Here there are the red color, blue, green, pink, maroon, and further when you go forward it's a golden color also, and it's very amazing combinations. Velvet in the black also looks good. This look too gorgeous with a combination. Here you see a golden color in the velvet. Friends, keep watching till the end, please. Who all didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe. This one is a very simple and cool look. Combination of a blue velvet with this, it's really wonderful. Please like, comment, share. Once again, I'm repeating. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.